We will be starting this session with the area when he had decided to operate upon the man, and he was even not bothered about Hannah's reaction, and he just ordered, in fact you can say suggested her to help him out in the surgery, right? So we'll be starting from this portion. You will have to give anesthetic if needs it. Dr. Sadao told Hannah that she would be required to provide the anesthesia if the man requires, since he was performing the surgery. But she said, I but never have I. The doctor उस वक्त पे he was so absorbed that he only said it is easy enough. He was taking out the packing now and the blood began to flow more quickly. उन्होंने मिट्टी निकाल के उसके ऊपर डाला था, तो he was cleaning that और वो सारा निकाल रहे थे, तो now it was profusely bleeding. He peered into the wound with a bright surgeon's light fastened on his forehead, जो ऊपर लगाते हैं, with which the bullet is still there. उसने देखा. Now I wonder how deep this rock wound is. If it is not too deep, it may be that I can get the bullet. मतलब अब now he was thinking कितना अंदर होगा, क्योंकि ज़्यादा नहीं होगा तो I can take. But the bleeding is not superficial. सिर्फ ऊपर ऊपर से खून नहीं बहा था. He had lost much blood. At this moment, Hannah choked. क्यों? क्योंकि वो एनेस्थीसिया खोलने के लिए कर रही थी, so she was not able to smell that. He looked up and saw her face the color of sulfur, मतलब white. He don't faint. He did not put down his exploring instrument. If I stop now, the man will surely die. She clapped her hands to her mouth and leaped up and ran out of the room. And she was feeling puking. Outside in the garden, he heard her retching, means vomit kar rahi thi, but he went on with his work. It will be better for her to empty her stomach. उसने सोचा कि ठीक है, अगर वॉमिट हो भी रहा ठीक है. He had forgotten that of course she had never seen an operation, but her distress, means her discomfort, and his inability to go to her, ये वाला पेपर में आया हुआ है, at once made him impatient and irritable with this man who lay like dead under his knife. उसको ना बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था, because he had never seen his wife in such an uncomfortable position, and he had never been, और उसको ये था कि इस इंसान को छोड़कर वो जा नहीं सकता था. He was feeling helpless. At that moment he was feeling helpless, and that is why he was irritated. This man, there is no reason under heaven why he should live. मतलब उसको अपने आप में भी समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि why he was saving this man again and again, why he was having that soft corner. Unconsciously, this thought made him ruthless and he proceeded swiftly. In his dream, the man moaned, but Sadao paid no heed except to mutter at him. Groan. Groan if you like, I'm not doing this for my own pleasure. In fact, I do not know why I am doing. मतलब जब वो करहा रहा था, तो उसे एक तरफ से उस पर चिढ़ आ रही थी, और उसने कहा अच्छे से करो, अच्छे से ग्रोन करो, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मीन्स even in his subconscious mind, he was not having any kind of soft corner for that man. Ruthless matlab without any pity. कोई उसको सिंपैथी नहीं था, बस वो एक मशीन की तरह he was working. The door opened and there was Hannah again. Where is that anesthetic? Sadao motioned with his chin. It is as well that you came back. This fellow is beginning to stir. She had the bottle and some cotton. But how shall I do it? लेकर आई थी. Simply saturate the cotton and hold it near his nostrils. When he breathes badly, move it away a little. अब उसने जो है उसको समझाने की कोशिश की कि क्लोरोफॉर्म को लो, उसकी नोज की तरफ लो, और जब वो तेज तेज सांस ले तो पीछे हटा दो. She crouched close to sleeping face of the young American. like थोड़ा झुक के वो उसके पास गई. It was a piteously thin face, she thought, and the lips were twisted. The man was suffering whether he knew it or not. उसके चेहरे पर मतलब दिस ये जो दो लाइंस है, this means the man was suffering. The face showed the pain of that man. उस इंसान का जो पेन था वो उसके चेहरे पर दिख रहा था. Watching him, she wondered if the stories they heard sometimes of the sufferings of prisoners were true. मतलब उसने कई बार ऐसी कहानियां सुनी थी. क्या If the stories, sorry, they came like flickers of rumor told by word of mouth and always contradicted. अब वो सोच रही थी. उसे कई कहानियां सुनी थी. Many a time she had heard that the people in the, sorry, the prisoners of war were tortured. They suffered a lot, either side, whether it is their side or the enemy, and they were all rumors. She had just heard about it, always contradicted. In the newspapers, the reports were always that wherever the Japanese armies went, the people received them gladly with cries of joy at their liberation. मतलब एक तरफ she had always heard praise for the army, but sometimes she remembered such men as General Takima, the one who was ill, who at home beat his wife cruelly. Though no one mentioned it now, he had fought so victorious a battle in Manchuria. If a man like that could be so cruel to a woman in his power, would he not be cruel to one like this, for instance? ये वाला जो पूरा RTC है, this had come in the paper also, in the books. What does it mean? What do we infer? When she looked at that man, the POW, she was feeling, or she was having all those soft feelings. उसको वो सारी बातें याद आ रही थी कि often she had heard about people talking that these soldiers were tortured. हालांकि Japanese were always praised. उनकी जो liberation है, the way they had fought, everyone always praised. But at the same time, there were people like General Takima, जो अपनी wife को मारता था. Even though he was very brave, he had fought the battle of Manchuria, he had won that battle. लेकिन on the other hand, जो अपनी wife को मार सकता है, that person can be cruel to even others. तो ये उसको जो है उस आदमी के वुंड को देखकर, उसके जो गले में जो अलग अलग निशान थे, उसको देखकर she was feeling that. She hoped anxiously that this young man had not been tortured. It was at this moment she observed deep red scars on his neck, just under the ears. Those scars, उसने बोला सदाओ को, but he did not answer. At this moment he felt the tip of his instrument striking against something hard. वो डाल रहा था तो उसको बुलेट दिख रहा था. Dangerously near the kidney. All thought left him. He felt only the purest pleasure, the something antithesis, purest pleasure, while he was performing. That is because when a surgeon is performing his surgery, and if he feels that the surgery is successful, he has that pleasure. उसको जब पता लगता है कि जिस चीज़ के लिए वो सर्जरी कर रहा है, that is going in the right direction, so he feels that contentment. So this is the meaning of the sentence. आपके पेपर में आपको पता है you have the standalone MCQs, you have the RTCs. So if such questions come, it's he probed with his fingers. He tried to find out delicately, familiar with every atom of this human body. He was very well versed in anatomy. He was very well versed in his knowledge. His old American professor of anatomy had seen to that knowledge. मतलब उन्होंने बोला था, ignorance of the human body is a surgeon's cardinal sirs. He had thundered at his class year after year to to operate without as complete knowledge of the body as if you had made it, and anything less than that is murder. मतलब उसके जो प्रोफेसर थे वो हमेशा कहते थे कि बिफोर यू परफॉर्म अ सर्जरी यू मस्ट बी वेल वर्स्ड विद द ह्यूमन बॉडी, और अगर आपको नॉलेज नहीं है और आप वो काम कर रहे हो तो वो इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ मर्डर बिकॉज यू मे हिट अ रॉन्ग कॉर्ड. से होता है ना, गलत नस काट दी. इट हैपन्स मेनी टाइम्स. वी हैव हर्ड ऑल दोस funny stories. Abhi recently also I heard that a doctor had left a piece of gauze in the, so that is ignorance. That can be catastrophic, that can be fatal. So that is what he want to say. Matlab he was well, this seems, this tells that Dr. Sadao was a well knowledged doctor. It is not quite at the kidney, my friend. ये वाला जो है this also has come कि वो डॉक्टर सदा उसको my friend क्यों बोलता है जबकि he was a POW. So why he was calling it as my friend? Was he really feeling that the man was his friend? So no. That was his way of handling his patients. जब भी वो patients के साथ रहता था तो he would forget what it is, he would be just muttering these words. And ये वाला भी, this has also come in the paper. It is not, sorry, it was his habit to murmur to the patient when he forgot himself in an operation. He was very absorbed. वो पूरा self absorbed था. My friend. He always called his patients, and so now he did, forgetting that this was his enemy. Then quickly, with the cleanest and most precise of incisions, बहुत ही with complete alertness, with complete neatly, उसने इंसाइज किया और बुलेट को बाहर निकाल दिया. द मैन क्विवर्ड, थोड़ा हिला, शेक किया, but he was still unconscious. Nevertheless, he muttered a few English words. Yes, somehow. It's incision, beta. In Hindi, it is चीरा लगाना. Cut. Guts. He muttered chokily, they got my guts. Sadao. Hush, Sadao said. The man sank again into silence, so profound that Sadao took up his wrist, hating the touch of it. मतलब अब वो जो इंसान था, he was unconscious. No, beta, wait somehow. He was unconscious, but he was मतलब कि again into silence, so profound. मतलब he was deeply, profound means deeply. उसको ऐसा लगा एक मिनट के लिए कि कहीं पल्स तो नहीं चले गए. He did not want to touch the body, but he just took the wrist and then he saw the, he Watch for the pulse. Yes, there was still a pulse, so faint, so feeble. Feeble means बहुत हल्का, but enough if he wanted the man to live to give him. इतना था कि he could survive. But certainly I do not want this man to live. फिर उसने हाना को कहा, no more anesthesia. संभव, चीरा, कट, और टाका होता है आपका suture. There are two different, complete opposite. He turned as swiftly as though he had never paused, and from his medicines he chose a small vial, injection ka. From it filled a hypodermic, thrust it into the patient's left arm. Thrust मतलब उसको injection लगा दिया. Then putting down the needle, he took the man's wrist again. The pulse under his fingers fluttered once or twice and then grew stronger. और फिर pulse आपकी वापस आई. This man will live in spite of all. मतलब कि he mean to say that he was young, he was courageous, he had fought that battle of life. The young man woke so weak. The young man so weak, his blue eyes so terrified when he perceived where he was. Petrified मतलब he was एकदम वो डर गया. He was जब उसे पता लगा, when he perceived मतलब जब उसे समझ आया कि वो कहाँ पर है, तो he was scared. That Hannah felt compelled to apologize. मतलब वो इतना डर गया कि हाना को भी उसे जो है, she had to apologize to him. She himself served him, for none of the servants would enter the room. Just give me 1 minute. When she came in the first time, she saw him summon his small strength to be prepared for some fearful thing. अब बाकी जो नौकर थे, they had refused to help him. Nona, as the servants had refused, so she had to herself do all the nursing. और पहली बार जब उसने देखा तो उसने देखा कि he was collecting all his strength. उसे ऐसा लग रहा था कि कुछ मेरे साथ बुरा होगा. He did not expect these two people to be so kind to him. क्योंकि एक तो he was prisoner of war and ऊपर से he was there in some strange place, तो उसे लगा कुछ गलत होगा. But उसने कहा, don't be afraid. How come you speak English? I was a long time in America. She had a small conversation. She saw that he wanted to reply that, but he could not, and so she knelt and fed him gently from the porcelain spoon. Porcelain आपके होता है जिससे, जैसे आप लोगों ने वो देखा होगा, the spoon which we use for taking the soup. China, हम बोलते हैं, China बोलते हैं हम उसको. He ate unwillingly, but still he ate. Now you will be soon strong, she said, not liking him and yet moved to comfort him. He did not answer. When Sadao came in the third day after the operation, he found the young man sitting up, his face bloodless with effort. सदाव ने उसे देखा और कहा, "Do you want to die? सो जाओ, लेटो." He forced the man down gently and strongly and examined the wound. You may kill yourself if you do this sort of thing. और उसने एज अ डॉक्टर उसे कहा कि अगर तुम इस तरीके से उठ उठ के बैठोगे ना, मर जाओगे. What are you going to do with me? The boy muttered. He looked just now barely 17. Are you going to hand me over? For a moment, Sadao did not answer. He finished his examination, then pulled the silk quilt over the man. I do not know myself what I shall do with you. I ought, of course, to give you to the police. You are a prisoner of war. No, do not tell me anything. He put up his hand as he saw the young man was about to speak. Do not even tell me your name unless I ask it. उसने कहा, तुम्हें मुझे नहीं पता मैं तुम्हारे साथ क्या करूंगा. हो सकता है मैं तुम्हें पुलिस में दूं, बट मुझसे बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इवन इफ आई आस्क, जब तक मैं पूछूं ना तब तक अपना नाम भी मत बताना. They looked at each other for a moment. Then the young man closed his eyes and turned his face to the wall. Okay. Outside the door, Hannah was waiting for Sadao. He saw at once that she was in trouble. Sadao, Yumi tells me the servants feel they cannot stay if we hide this man here anymore. She tells that they are saying that you and I were so long in America that we have forgotten to think of our country. They think we like Americans. As I told you in the very beginning, that the servants had this feeling that Sadao and Hannah were having soft corner for Americans. No, it is not like that. Hannah was a dutiful wife, while Dr. Sadao was a passionate doctor. And that is where he is different from other humans. और उसने सदाव ने कहा, "It is not true Americans are our enemies, but I have been trained not to let a man die if I can help it." This is the answer for the entire chapter. You can say that as a doctor they are trained not to let a man die. उसने कहा, "The servants cannot understand that." No. Neither seemed able to say more, and somehow the household dragged on. The servants grew more watchful. Their courtesy was as careful as ever, but their eyes were cold upon the pair to whom they were hired. Their eyes were cold, matlab they were not now having a cordial relation. हाँ, नौकर थे, काम करते थे. So जैसा मतलब कि काम करना चाहिए, they were dutiful. But their eyes were cold upon the pair. Upon the pair here is for Sadao and Hannah, to whom they were hired. मतलब जिनके नीचे वो काम कर रहे थे. It is clear what our master ought to do, the old gardener said one morning. He had worked with flowers all his life and had been specialist too in moss. For Sadao's father, he had made one of the finest moss garden in Japan, sweeping the bright green carpet, जो काई बनती है, constantly, so that not a leaf or a pine needle marred the velvet of its surface. वो इतनी देखभाल करता था कि ऊपर से कोई चीज भी आके वहां ना गिरे. My old master's son knows very well what he ought to do, he said, pinching a bud from a bush as he spoke. When the man was so near death, why did he not let him bleed? That young master is so proud of his skill to save life that he saves any life. उसे ना अपने स्किल पर बहुत घमंड है. These were the thoughts of the servants. The cook said contemptuously. जो कुक थी उसने कहा कि उसे अपने जो स्किल्स हैं उस पर बहुत घमंड है. संभव, you ask ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो कि गुस्सा आता है। एंड कंटेम्पशियसली का मतलब हो जाता है बेटा विथ हेट्रेड। बेटा आपने लिखा है मैम गार्डनर लगा हुआ है ना, मीन्स उनके घर में 2 सर्वेंट्स और यूमी और एक गार्डनर भी हुआ, तो प्लीज टेल अलग थोड़ी हुआ। हाँ तो यूमी है प्लस 3 सर्वेंट्स थे, आई टोल्ड यू। एक उनके घर में एक कुक थी, मतलब कुक, देन गार्डनर एंड वन मोर सर्वेंट, दे वर देयर। She split a foal's neck skillfully and held the fluttering bird and let its blood flow into the roots of wisteria vine. मतलब उसने जो है एक फोल को काटा। They are habitual of cutting these kinds of things. मतलब पक्षी, फोल मतलब बर्ड, और उसके जो गर्दन से खून निकल रहा था उसने उसे रूट में जाने दिया, टू द रूट्स ऑफ द वाइन यार्ड। And that is because blood is the best fertilizers and the old gardener would not let her waste a drop of it, क्योंकि उनके अकॉर्डिंग ब्लड से ज़्यादा जो है बेटर फर्टिलाइज़र कुछ नहीं होता है। इसीलिए वो लोग जो है they would be using that blood to for their plants. And Wistaria is a kind of pea, मटर। विस्तारिया वाइन इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ, मतलब हमारे यहाँ पर हम कह सकते हैं मटर, बट उनमें जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं ना, दे आर वेरी फ्रेग्रेंट, उनकी खुशबू होती है। सो दैट इज वाई जो ब्लड के, मतलब जैसे वो काट रही थी तो उसके जो ब्लड कहीं वेस्ट हो रहा था, तो उस ब्लड को वो बहने दे रही थी इन टू दैट वाइन। इट इज द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ whom we must think, Yumi said. What will be their fate if their father is condemned as a traitor? सबसे ज्यादा बुरा तो बच्चों के लिए लग रहा है अगर उसके फादर को पकड़ लिया गया एंड ही इज सेड एज ट्रेटर। ट्रेटर मतलब व्हाट इज ट्रेटर? चीट, गद्दार। They did not try to hide what they said from the ears of Hannah as she stood arranging the day's flowers in the veranda, and she knew they spoke on, yes, she knew they spoke on purpose that she might hear, और वो जानबूझ के जोर से बोल रहे थे जिससे कि हाना को समझ आए। But there was another part of her which she herself could not understand. It was not sentimental liking of the prisoner. She had come to think of him as a prisoner. She had not liked him even yesterday when he had said in his impulsive voice, "Anyway, let me tell you, my name is Tom." She had only bowed her little distance bow. She saw hurt in his eyes, but she did not wish to assuage it. Indeed, he was a great trouble. अब उसका कहना था कि दो she was serving that man, but she did not like him. Maybe as a dutiful wife, she was supporting her husband. हो सकता है कि वो सिर्फ अपने हस्बैंड को सपोर्ट कर रही थी, जो बात इन लोगों को समझ नहीं आ रहा था। वो कहते कि उसने जब बोला उसको कि मेरा नाम टॉम है, उसने देखा कि दैट मैन वाज हर्ट, बट शी डिड नॉट व्हाट वी से एज ease it, मतलब उस she did not wish to assuage it, she did not want to comment on that, anticipate नहीं करना चाहती थी। Indeed, he was a great trouble in this house. As for Sadao, every day he examined the wound carefully. The last stitches had been pulled out this morning, and the young man in a fortnight be nearly as well as ever. Sadao went back to his office, carefully typed a letter to the chief of police reporting the whole matter. मतलब उसने पूरा एक लिखा। On the 21st day of February, an escaped prisoner was washed up on the shore in front of my house. So far, he typed and then opened a secret drawer of his desk and put the unfinished report to it. उसने तो पुलिस को बताने के लिए सब कुछ तैयार भी कर लिया था, and he had even typed a letter, but he hadn't sent. ये वाला पेपर में आपके एज अ सब्जेक्टिव आया हुआ है. And many times on seventh day, two things happened. In the morning, the servants left together, their belongings tied in a large square cotton kerchiefs. When Hannah got up in the morning, nothing was done, the house was not clean, the food was not prepared, and she knew what it meant. She was dismayed, मतलब वो दुखी भी थी and terrified भी थी, but her pride as a mistress would not allow her to show off. लेकिन वो एक मालकिन भी थी, so she did not want to show her ego. मतलब उसका जो ego था, that did not allow her to stop those servants. Instead, she inclined her head gracefully when they appeared before her in the kitchen and paid them off and thanked them for all they had done for her. They were crying, but she did not. The cook and the gardener had served Sadao since he was a little boy in his father's house. Yumi cried because of the children. She was so grieving after that she had gone, she ran back to Hannah. अब वो लोग रो रहे थे, but she managed to hide her feelings. She did not want to show her feelings that she was. Yes बेटा, सर्वेंट्स ने खुद जॉब छोड़ी थी बिकॉज उन्हें लग रहा था कि उनका जो मालिक है वो गद्दार है. उनका जो मालिक है ही इज हैविंग सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर फॉर अमेरिकन्स. बट शी डिड नॉट से एनीथिंग. शी जस्ट पेड देम एंड if they were crying because they had been in this job since Sadao was a young boy. जब सदाव छोटा था तब से वो उनके घर में काम कर रहे थे, तो they were attached. But they cannot see that second side of the doctor. If the baby misses me too much tonight, send for me. I'm going to my own house. You know where it is. उसने सिर्फ इतना बोला हाना को कि अगर बच्ची रोएगी तो बुला लेना. She made the breakfast. यहाँ she is for Hannah. And Sadao helped with the children. Neither of them spoke of the servants beyond the fact that they were gone. But after Hannah had taken morning food to the prisoner, she came back to Sadao. Why is it we cannot see clearly what we ought to do? Even the servants see more clearly than we do. Why are we different from Japanese? Sadao did not answer. But a little later he went into the room where the prisoner was and said briskly, Jaldi jaldi, today you may get up on your feet. I want you to stay only 5 minutes at a day time. Tomorrow you may try it twice as long. It would be well that you get back to your strength as quickly as possible. उसने उसको एक चार्ट बना दिया कि तुम रोज कितने टाइम जो है खड़े हो सकते हो. He just wanted to give him that comfort and he just wanted to help him how to stand on his feet. He saw the flicker of terror on the young face. That was still very faint. Flicker of terror मतलब झलक दिख रही थी उसको डर का. क्यों? Because that man did not want to leave this family. He was so safe here. बाद में हो सकता है कि he may be caught. He did not want, but फिर भी उसने कुछ कहा नहीं. Evidently he was determined to say more. I feel I ought to thank you, doctor, for having saved my life. But Sadao ने बड़े उससे बोला, don't thank me too early. He saw that flicker of terror in the boy's eyes. Terror as unmistakable as an animal's. जिससे जानवर डर जाते हैं. The scars on his necks were crimson for a moment. वो इतना डर गया कि जो उसके चोट के निशान थे वो लाल हो रहे थे. Those scars, what were they? But उसने कुछ पूछा नहीं. In the afternoon, ये तो morning में हुआ. The second thing happened. Hannah working hard on unaccustomed labor. Unaccustomed labor मतलब she was not accustomed to do the household chores. उसे घर के काम करने की आदत नहीं थी लेकिन वो कर रही थी because the servants had left. Saw a messenger to the door in official uniform. पुलिस के ड्रेस में था. Her hands went weak and she could not draw her breath. The servants must have told already. She ran to Sadao, gasping, unable to utter a word. But by then the messengers had simply followed her through the garden, and there he stood. She pointed at him helplessly. मैसेंजर को देखकर उसने सिर्फ इशारा किया, वो डर गई थी. Sadao looked from his book. He was in his office, the other partition of which was thrown open to the garden for the southern sunshine. What is it? उसने देखा. But हाना को लगा the man had come to arrest Sadao because the servants might have told. लेकिन वो आया था to take the doctor because the general was having some problem. You ought to come to the palace. The old general is in pain. Oh, is that all? यही बात थी. मैसेंजर को समझ नहीं आया. All? Is it not enough? मतलब जनरल को पेन नहीं ज़्यादा, मतलब कि और बट उसने कहा इंडीड आई एम वेरी सॉरी. मैं उसके कहने का मतलब था अच्छा तुम सिर्फ इसलिए आए थे. उसने कहा सिर्फ. When Sadao came to say goodbye, she was in the kitchen but doing nothing. The children were asleep and she sat merely resting for a moment, more exhausted from her fright than her. मतलब वो डर से ज़्यादा थक गई थी, not from the work. I thought they had come to arrest you, she said. उसने देखा. I must get rid of this man for your sake, he said in distress. Somehow I must get rid of him. उसने कहा तुम्हारे लिए मुझे इस आदमी से पीछा छुड़ाना पड़ेगा. Now he went to see the general. और उसने जनरल को सारी बात बता दी. Of course, the general said weakly, I understand fully, but this is because I once took a degree in Princeton, so few Japanese have. I care nothing for the man, Excellency, but having operated on him with such success, उसने कहा मुझे उस इंसान से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, लेकिन मैंने बहुत अच्छे से उसका ऑपरेशन किया. Yes, yes, it only makes me feel you more indispensable to me. मतलब तभी तो मैं तुम्हें अपने से अलग नहीं कर सकता हूँ. Evidently you can save anyone. You are so skilled. You say you think I can stand one more such attack as I have had today. और वो अपने ही दर्द में जो है he was preoccupied. मतलब वो ऊपर ऊपर से इसे बात तो कर रहा था जनरल, लेकिन सिर्फ उसे अपने ही दर्द का एहसास था. उसने कहा जैसा आज हुआ फिर एक और बार होगा तो मैं बचूंगा. उसने कहा नो. Then certainly I can allow nothing to happen to you. The general said with anxiety. His long, pale Japanese face became expressionless, which meant he was in deep thought. You cannot be arrested. Suppose you were condemned to death and the next day I had to have my operation. और फिर जनरल ने कहा मेरी हालत इतनी ख़राब है, सोचो तुम्हारे को फांसी की सज़ा और अगले दिन मुझे ऑपरेशन करना होगा. तो उसने कहा देयर आर अदर सर्जन्स, नन आई ट्रस्ट. The best ones have been trained by Germans and would consider the operation successful even if I die. I do not care for the point of view. ये मैंने आपको जब चैप्टर टाइगर किंग करवाया था तब बताया था. According to Americans, an operation is successful when all the उससे related सब चीज़ें जो है बिल्कुल ठीक हो. Whereas for the Germans it is only operation. लाइक टाइगर किंग के अंदर उन्हें वो निकालना था, स्लीवर तो निकाल दिया, उनके लिए दैट वाज सक्सेसफुल वेदर द मैन वाज डेड और अलाइव. बट इन अमेरिका, इन द अमेरिकन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू जो है वो थोड़ा अलग है. दैट्स अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ द मेडिसिन्स. It seems a pity that we cannot better combine the German ruthlessness with the American sentimentality. Then you can turn your prisoner over to execution, and yet I could be sure you would not murder me while I was unconscious. He had an unusual sense of humor. As a Japanese, could you not combine these two foreign elements? उसने कहा it seems a pity, मतलब कितना अजीब है ना कि हम जर्मन की जो केयरलेसनेस है उसको और अमेरिकन की जो बेवकूफ़ियाँ सेंटिमेंटलिटी है उन दोनों को हम साथ नहीं कर सकते. अगर हम ऐसा करते होते तो कितना आसान होता. हम कहते हमने तो ऑपरेशन करने की कोशिश की थी बट वी कुड नॉट. एंड येट आई कुड बी श्योर यू वुड नॉट मर्डर मी व्हेन अ व्हाइल. और फिर उस जनरल ने मतलब कि सरकास्टिकली बोला लेकिन मैं जानता हूं कि इवन अगर ऐसा भी होता, even if you had the skill to kill someone, then also Dr. Sadao will never do such things. Dr. Sadao said, I'm not quite sure, but for your sake, I would be willing to try. The general shook his head. I had rather not be with the test case. He felt suddenly weak, overwhelmed with the cares of his life as an official in times such as these, when repeated victory brought great responsibilities all over the South Pacific. It is very unfortunate that this man should have watched on your doorstep. और वो जो है, he was in pain, and he had been in the army, he had the responsibilities, और उसको इरिटेशन हो रही थी क्योंकि वो भी जवाबदारी हो जाएगा. इसीलिए उसने कहा कि इट इज़ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट कि तुम्हारे ही घर में आना था क्या इसको. इट वुड बी बेस्ट इफ he could be quietly killed, not by you but by someone who does not know him. I have my private assassins. Suppose I send two of them to your house tonight, or better, any night. You need not know anything about it. It is now warm. What would be more natural that you should leave the outer partition of the man's open to the garden while he sleeps. मतलब बाहर का जो दरवाज़ा उसे खोल के रख देना. मैं अपने assassins भेज दूंगा जो उसको मार डालें. Certainly it would be very natural. In fact, it is so left open every night. और सदाव ने भी एश्योर किया वो दरवाज़ा तो हमेशा खुला रहता है. So, till here we read that though Sadao was not inclined to save that man, I'll make you understand. See, beta, when there are two aspects, specifically when it comes to any profession, जहाँ आपकी ड्यूटी जो होती है, it is only to provide the service to your client. And as a doctor, doctors don't only provide service, they are said to be next to God. और during their service period, during their oath, दे आर रिमाइंडेड दिस कि आपके सामने जो है वो सिर्फ एक पेशेंट है. एंड एक डॉक्टर, खासकर एक सर्जन था वो, जो इसी बात के लिए खासियत थी उसकी कि ही वांटेड टू रेंडर द वुंड्स क्लीन. और जब उसके सामने एक आदमी बीमार है, वुंडेड है, तो हाउ कुड ही लेट हिम डाई. ऑन द अदर हैंड, the servants, they were servants. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही servants खराब होते, no, not at all. There is always a difference. There is always a difference. What your perception may be, that may not be the perception of the other person. He is a doctor, तो वो डॉक्टर की तरह सोच रहा है. अब servants humans की तरह सोच रहे हैं. They are thinking only on the ground of being a Japanese. They are not thinking as a doctor. That is the difference. Your thought process changes when you are entering into a profession. A lawyer might witness everything as a lawyer. If you talk to him, he will say, ye wrong hai, ye legal nahi hai. Because he lives in that world. I don't know about others, but I am always a teacher in my home, because all the time I get this sarcastic comment that anywhere you are always a teacher. I think on the right ground. Even as an English teacher, अगर मेरे सामने कोई बच्चा गलत लिखता ना तो मैं टोक देती. बाद में मैं सोचती भी हूँ कि why I did it. But मुझे लगता है कि okay यार, मैं if God has given me this, I should help them. But not everyone will think on that. वो तो यही सोचेंगे ना कि मुझे तो ज़्यादा शौक चढ़ा है. अभी recently I'll tell you one example. Some person, मतलब some known to, तो he has a momo point. तो उसने लिखा हुआ था मोमोज की दुकान के लिए, जो टाइमिंग लिखी हुई थी, it was like 12 PM to कुछ ऐसा था. तो I told him, I said कि this is wrong. Now he had given me that pamphlet and he said, ma'am, मतलब on the WhatsApp only, he said, ma'am आप यहाँ से मंगवा लो. तो I said कि इसको ठीक तो कर दो 12 PM to. तो he said why? तो I said कि because 12 is 12 noon and 12 midnight. We don't say 12 AM 12 PM. बाद में मुझे लगा कि मैंने ऐसे बेकार में क्यों किसी को बोला. But that is where he might have thought ये औरत तो पागल है, मेरी गलतियां निकाल रही थी. Yes, I may be wrong from his point of view, but as a teacher I was right. Similarly, the doctor was right because he was a doctor. The servants were also right because they were thinking as a Japanese, they were thinking as a human. उनको लग रहा था कि if tomorrow Dr. Sadao is arrested, then maybe the children might suffer. और उनको ये भी लग रहा था कि the doctor was supporting that man only because he had stayed in America. Even शायद वो अमेरिका में ना भी रहता तो डॉक्टर यही काम करता जो उसने किया था. A true doctor would have done that. That is the difference between their perceptions. With this, our 75% is complete. We will be probably completing it in the next class. Right? Now we can take a leave. Bye.